You may no longer consider Facebook to be innovative and cutting edge. However, you can't deny its popularity. There are over 2 billion monthly active Facebook users, with 1.37 billion of them utilizing the social media platform on a daily basis. As a result, it's no wonder that many individuals and businesses attempt to profit off Facebook. It makes sense with such a large potential audience. Making money on Facebook, though, might be difficult. It can be difficult to stand out on Facebook because of its massive size. This is especially true since Facebook only shows a small portion of a user's feed. In fact, the statuses you painstakingly create and post to your business page are unlikely to reach more than 2% of your followers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money through your Facebook account. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Now let's get into the video. We have to talk about a few important foundations first. Facebook is primarily a social network, an online community where individuals can meet together, socialize, and share information about things they care about. Because of this reason, it gives posts from a person's personal account a higher weighting than posts from a business page. This is something that businesses must always keep in mind. People will always find it easier to spread their message on Facebook than businesses will. However, it's not quite as simple as that. By the way, I post videos every week to explain how to make money online. So if you're not subscribed, now's a good moment to subscribe and press the notification bell. So subscribe to my channel and start making money online. Now let's get back into the video. If a person only has a few Facebook friends, they won't be able to spread the word very far, unless they can post content that is so engaging that people like it so much and it is shared numerous times and goes viral. On the other hand, if a person can accumulate a large number of followers and then communicate with them on a regular basis, their posts will appear in a large number of people's feeds. So you should first consider building your fan base to the point where they consider you an influencer. This is the best approach to ensure that people hear what you have to say. It becomes quite simple to make money on Facebook once you've reached that position. However, business accounts should not be completely ignored. Facebook will reward businesses for their efforts by increasing their relevance scores if they manage their accounts well and provide high-quality material on a regular basis. Then you can also consider Facebook advertising, which can help boost the reach of your posts even further. Influencer success on Facebook is due to the fact that they have previously gone through the process of building an audience. You must establish your Facebook expertise by sharing a series of excellent and interesting posts that people can relate to, fascinating links, photographs, and updates to truly prosper as an individual. You must develop a field of expertise in which you can be acknowledged as an expert. While businesses may choose to hire influencers to market for them, they will almost certainly want to establish a Facebook presence of their own. They can use it in a long run, and in the long run to help people view them as experts in their field. Starbucks has demonstrated how to do this well, with 37 million followers on its Facebook page. The primary purpose of your Facebook fan page should be to allow people to learn more about you. They will respect you if you enjoy your stuff. That indicates they will eventually trust you. Finally, they're likely to be willing to spend money on anything you offer. Kim Garst sums it up well when she says, to sell on Facebook, you need to stop treating fans like a commodity and start treating them like your friends.
You know, I've been around on Facebook for so long that I'm still able to get Facebook to give me free reach. It's nowhere near what it used to be.
After you've established yourself and created a huge following, you can make money from Facebook by doing all the following. Number 1, you can drive your Facebook page traffic to blogs and businesses at a cost. If you have a large Facebook page or group, you can quickly generate traffic for your blog or for people's blogs and businesses and charge them for it. This can be accomplished by posting a link to the blog and encouraging your followers to visit it. When they do, the blog's traffic improves, and you get compensated. Asking questions is a typical approach employed by both bloggers and brands. Pose a question that will pique the reader's interest. Pose a clear, concise, and intriguing inquiry. Keep your reader in mind and ask a question that is relevant to the blog or business you're promoting. There are many other types of questions to ask, such as personal opinions, fill in the blanks, trivia, and so on. Another alternative is to poll your audience and ask for their input on a topic. They provide solutions in the blog article you're posting. You can encourage visitors to click on your post this way. Number 2, you can also consider affiliate marketing. When your Facebook page has a large number of followers, you can post 1 or 2 affiliate marketing links per day to the group. Affiliate marketing pays you a share of the product sale price. When someone buys something through your link, a part of the sale goes to your account. You can make up to 50% of sales if you do affiliate marketing. eBay, Commission Junction, Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are some of the businesses to sign up for. You can check out my video on affiliate marketing to get a clearer understanding of the process. Number 3, you can earn money from posting videos. Pages can now make money from videos as short as 1 minute, giving them the option to run a 30-second ad that is minimally interruptive according to Facebook. Previously, only 3 minutes and longer videos could be monetized. Mid-roll commercials, which appear while the video is playing rather than before it begins, are now allowed in videos longer than 3 minutes. However, in order to run in-stream advertisements, your Facebook page must have 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days from any combination of video uploads. This could also include regular video uploads, live streaming, and live stream recordings. Also, you must have at least 5 active video uploads or previously live videos. Videos must be uploaded and not deleted and must adhere to Facebook's content monetization policies. Your live streaming can also be monetized. For pages interested in monetizing live streaming, Facebook has its own set of eligibility restrictions. Pages will have to meet another requirement to run advertising while going live. In addition to the previously listed criteria, you must have 60,000 live minutes viewed in the past 60 days. Watch time for recordings of live streams will not count towards reaching this eligibility criteria according to Facebook. Number 4. Lastly, you can sell your own product. This is fundamental marketing. The more followers you have, the more individuals you can reach, and the more likely your product will sell. You can also set up an e-commerce store on Facebook. You can also start a Facebook group for this. Although having a Facebook group just for the purpose of earning sales has minimal value, it can be a great approach to let people know what you have to offer. If you sell information products, Facebook groups can be especially beneficial. You can form a group and encourage members to assist one another and share ideas. Once again, you must provide relevant content to group members, and you must occasionally recommend your product as a solution to their concerns. Facebook groups can also serve as a natural extension of other activities. If your product is a course or an ebook, for example, you might create a Facebook group for students or those who have purchased your ebook. If you offer paid tutoring, a Facebook group could serve as a gathering area for your clients. You might be able to run it as a mastermind group. What do you think about these tips? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Continue learning about NFT, crypto, and the stock market. I'll see you in the next one.